Hi there, it's Scott here again from EdgeMath. I've got a question from a student. We're asked to find the equation of the plane that passes through these 3 points. So this is not too complicated. So we can, the idea is we can find vectors that pass between pairs of these points. We know that those vectors lie inside the plane, or in the same direction. So we can take the first two, and then subtract the second minus the first, and that gives the vector between the points. So 2 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1 gives 1, 1, 0. So that's one vector in the plane. And then with the first and the third, we do the same. Subtract the second from the first, and then get 2, 2, minus 2. So 3 minus 1, 2 minus 0, minus 1, minus 1. And so that gives two vectors inside the plane, and we can find a third using, if we take the cross product of these two. So if we take this, if we cross them, that's going to give a normal, or a vector in the normal direction, and that's going to determine the direction of the plane. So a plane, if we have the normal to the plane, we know exactly the direction it's going. So we can take the cross product, I1, 1, 0, 2, 2, minus 2. It's sloppy. And so that's going to be, so we take the first, we X out the I row, and we take the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. So that's 1 times minus 2 minus 0. So X that out. That's going to be minus 2. So we take this 2 by 2 matrix, that's minus 2, minus 0, minus 2. And then the J, for the J, we cross out the J row and column, and we take the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix that results. So it's 1 times minus 2 minus 0, so minus 2. But we negate that for the middle one.
Hey everybody, it's Carol Tice here, the Den Mother, excited to be back inside into what's in Mod 4, which is really terrific too. I learned a lot there as well, and we're just putting the final touches on that to release on Sunday.
Minus 1 times 2.
And I'm gonna first see if Vicky can talk. Are you there, Vicky?
That's minus 2.
Yes, I am.
Awesome. So as is our habit, we will let Vicky give us a few top-line comments, stuff she's been seeing in the forums around Mod 3, and then we will get to questions. So take it away, Vicky.
Thanks, Carol. Hi, everyone. There's only one thing, really, that I've noticed that a lot of people keep doing in Module of the text in your storyboard. And again, the only text that should be bolded are directions. So, for example, if you have place text in the center of screen, that should go in bold. But the actual text that goes on the screen, Joe Smith says this in an indirect, that should be actually the text. So again, just give anything in bold put in, any directive put in bold, but anything that should actually be viewed on the screen, just put in normal. So hopefully that makes sense to everybody. Again, that was just actually the only thing that I saw across the board and that there was kind of a disconnect on.